We just got an invite to go to Appealing Fruit to learn more about what's so cool about manufacturing. Let's go!
We've worked very hard over the past 10 years to promote a very positive and family-oriented culture.
But just like a family, we do have disagreements from time to time, but we always come together to meet our goals of providing a quality product.
We're definitely a family-oriented place. Appealing Fruit started as a family-owned and run company, and we try to keep those values and make sure that everybody has a voice here and that we all work together.
Being a smaller company, you get to know everybody's name, and being so small, you also get to work in different areas.
It can be difficult at times. There's language barriers that need to be learned, and I do my best to learn and find someone that can help translate. There's times when people get sick or personal issues come up. It's about adjusting, and maybe from time to time me or another supervisor having to suit up and go inside and get our hands dirty as every other employee does.
My favorite thing about my job is knowing that I get to help create a quality product that people get to eat.
I've been here for almost 13 years, and the fact that I can still learning new things, it made me come to work like happy.
Basically on a daily basis, when we run a shift for 8 hours, we can cut 20,000 pounds of apples.
I would tell a young person interested in science or manufacturing to learn as much as you can about any topics that interest you.
People tend to think of manufacturing as being the same thing over and over, and while that's something that we strive for, it seldom happens.
So cool about manufacturing is it's different challenges on a different basis. There's always something new that we have to figure out and problem solve.
I think manufacturing is cool because you get to see the behind the scenes of what goes on to make the products that you buy in the stores or eat in your school.
Sadly, on March 8th, Appealing Fruit closed its doors permanently. Although the loss of the great company we visited is sad, the values and skills displayed by everyone we met will serve them well in their next job.